Welcome to our channel. Today we how to configure column masking in BigQuery for sensitive data. Beginner guide step by step clearly. To configure column masking in BigQuery for sensitive data, start by accessing your Google Cloud Console. Navigate to the BigQuery project where your dataset is located. In the left pane, select the dataset you want to work with. Click on the Overview tab to see the details of your dataset. Locate the table that contains the sensitive data you wish to mask. Next, click on the Details tab for that table. In the Details page, select the Permissions tab. You will need to have the appropriate permissions to modify IAM roles. Click on the Add button to assign roles for the users who need access. Select the role that allows for column-level security. Now, navigate back to the table's schema. Identify the column that contains the sensitive information. Click on the column name to open its properties. In the column properties, look for the column masking option. Enable column masking by toggling the switch to the on position. You will now need to define the masking policy. Select or create a masking policy that meets your compliance requirements. Input the conditions under which data will be masked. You can use different expressions to define when the masking should apply. Once the masking policy is created, associate it with the desired column. Save your changes to the column properties. Now, test the configuration by running a query on the table. Check to see if the sensitive data is masked according to your policy. Review the results to ensure that only authorized users can see the unmasked data. If necessary, make adjustments to your masking policy and permissions. You have now successfully configured column masking in BigQuery for sensitive data. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.